clip my hair back real quick, just so it doesn't get in my makeup. For starters, I'm gonna go in with my, oh God, dewdrops. Spilled them all on my table. Self-tanned last night, so ignore my hands, because like, what the fuck. I'm gonna go in with my e.l.f. Hour Grip. I'm not 100% sure that I'm getting my passport today because my mom has my birth certificate. I go in with some concealer just so it can be sitting. The next thing I'm gonna do is my eyebrows real quick with favorite, the e.l.f. This is the most important part in my opinion. My eyebrows are like very much unsymmetrical. We're gonna have to try our best to make them as symmetrical as possible. So I tried my best with the eyebrows. I'm gonna use my Halo Glow, the darker shade. Excuse my cat. She's in a very talkative mood today. Very unfortunate for me filming. I'm also gonna mix in some of my L'Oreal foundation and blend that out with a sponge. She wants to go out my room to eat the Christmas tree. Favorite part of makeup, like while watching it at least, is when people do their foundation and their concealer. Finally, I'm tan. I hate being pale. Okay, the next thing I'm gonna go in with is this e.l.f. Beauty Wand contour, because my actual contour is way too light to use on my self-tanned face. I'm gonna do a little bit here, a little bit here, blend that out. Try to keep it just right there. I don't need it, my forehead's already so fucking small, but it just is cohesive. For nose contour, I'm gonna try to blend it out with this little brush so it's more precise. Let's blend it out okay. We're gonna go over it with the Beauty Blender. Let's add some blush. This is the Rare Beauty blush in the shade Hope. Okay, now I'm gonna kind of blend out this harsh ass contour. I'm looking so tan, I kind of look like an Oompa Loompa, but now I'm gonna blend out my concealer, which I'm realizing now I've made a wrong move by how freaking bright this concealer is. This is usually a shade I am when I'm not self-tanned. So we're in too deep now, so. I forgot that I wanna put a little tiny bit on my nose and a little tiny bit up here. Oh, that's a lot on my nose. Also added some right here and I dragged it out, like snatched my face. I'm going with the Beauty Blender now. This is definitely one of those makeup looks you have to trust the process for because I'm wearing a lot of makeup, I'm aware of that, but it's for a passport photo. You definitely don't have to do any of this if you don't want to, if this is not your kind of vibe. I'm gonna go in with some One Size setting powder. And I don't really like baking, but I think we're gonna like kind of slightly bake, especially like right here. This powder is like extremely drying, so some people say they don't really like it for like winter, but I like it. I have a combo skin in the winter. This and the Huda Beauty powder are really good. Now I'm just gonna like use this powder puff to like set the places that like kind of get oily a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with a big powder brush and just do the rest of my face. That way we have like a matte canvas to like add powders to, because nothing annoys me more than having a cream base and just going straight with bronzer. Like that's so gross, it always ends up patchy. And just kind of go all over my face. Hopefully you guys have a good angle. I can barely see. I'm filming with a back camera on my phone right now, so I can't really see because I have like a tripod set up, so I have no idea what you guys can see. Going with my Too Faced, see if it shows up with my self tanner. I think I got the lighter shade, I'm not sure. We'll see if it shows up. Do a little bit on my forehead right here. Okay, now you already know we're about to contour my nose, but for this I have to be really precise. I'm gonna blend it out with my Beauty Blender. See if that works. My favorite step is blush, specifically this blush. I love this blush right here when I'm tan. It just complements it so well. I add a little bit of this too, like especially at the top right here, because I like more like a gradient effect. And then I like add a little bit of the lighter shade under my eyes. Okay, now I'm gonna go in and bake. I don't really like baking under my under eye because my under eyes are kind of dry. So I like to just bake right here. Yeah, I'm missing my old Beauty Blender. I had like a sharp edge that I would use to bake. I'm gonna bake like right here actually. I like to do right here. I use this eyeshadow palette right here, Draw My Mama, the shade for my eyebrows. I have to get a little closer. I really just fill in the bottom of it and the ends. Okay, but now for eyeshadow, I'm not gonna go too crazy with eyeshadow because I usually don't ever wear eyeshadow anyways. I'm just adding a few warm tones, crease, kind of smoking it out a bit along that bake that we had. I really need to clean my mirror. It's so hard to see. It's really all I'm gonna do. Just that. Take the same shades, go underneath my eye. And dust off this bake now. We're gonna go in with my Makeup by Mario highlighter. I'm just gonna add a little bit right here. Tiniest bit, little small brush right here on my nose. A little bit right here. I'm pretty much done, so I'm just gonna set my face with this e.l.f. setting spray. There's something in my eye. Wait, I forgot. I'm gonna go in with this L'Oreal eyeliner. Now let's set our face. I don't have eyelash extensions on right now, or the falsy ones that you do yourself. So I'm just gonna heat up my eyelash curler, just curl my eyelashes. But since I'm not getting my passport today, probably just gonna wait. The day that I do get it, which is probably gonna be tomorrow, I'm going to add a few like false mascara stick-on eyelashes at the end of my eyelash after I do mascara. I'm using the L'Oreal primer right now. Use it on the edges because I don't want it to weigh my eyelashes down. For mascara, I'm using my tried and true Maybelline Sky High. I don't really have the best mascara routine right now because I'm still trying to grow my eyelashes out from fucking them up with horrible eyelash extensions. Kind of why I don't really want to do eyelash extensions anymore. It's a process trying to grow your real ones out. Okay, well maybe I should get my passport done today. I'm having a good eyelash day, looks like. Some right here. Hopefully it's like a dry piece. Oh, it's not. Fuck. I'm waiting for that to dry and then I'm gonna get a spoolie and like get it all off. I'm gonna go in with this lip liner. I'm gonna try this Milky Gloss by NYX. I never use this. Can't tell if I like it. I might go back over it with like a Dior lip gloss, like a lip oil. I don't know. Let's get this mascara off my face. Take this down. Bruh. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I'm off to get my passport. Who knows where I'll end up. Thank you guys for watching. If I missed out any products and that you're interested in, let me know in the comments and I'll easily, let you know what products and shades they are. Love y'all, and until next time, bye.